As preparations for the 2027 general elections intensify, Honorable Moibi Olalekan Ibrahim has declared his intentions to represent the people of Ijebu-Ode constituency in the Ogun State House of Assembly. Ifeolu Ashaolu report that the declaration took place at the APC party secretariat opposite Falagbade Street, Ijebu-Ode, and now complete the report.
The Falagbade Street Ijebu-Ode Secretariat of the All Progressive Congress (APC) was agog as party members gathered for the formal declaration of a political ambition. The event was at the instance of Honorable Moibi Olalekan Ibrahim, who is contesting for the Ogun State House of Assembly seat in the forthcoming general elections. Speaking at the event, Honorable Moibi expressed his readiness to serve the people of Ijebu-Ode State constituency, promising inclusive and effective representation. He added that if elected, he would collaborate with other stakeholders to improve infrastructure and social amenities in the area.
We will do the best, bring employment to our people. We'll make sure our medicals are intact, and our schools will work on putting them in order. We'll make sure we fight for our people to have access to have a link to the state. These are the things we have in mind.
The chairman of the party in Ijebu-Ode local government, Comrade Arowolo Adebola, alongside party chieftains and members from various wards in the constituency, described the aspirant as a vision leader. They pledged their support and wished him success in his political aspiration.
He knows what he's doing anyway. You can hear from his response to the people. He knows what he's going to dare to do. Exactly, and I think they said he's the first politician that will come here without no question, because he has already answered all the questions he supposed to have been asked.
The declaration ended with a group photograph and the cutting of cake. In Ijebu-Ode, Ifeolu Ashaolu, NTA News.